to know this.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
How to make it.
elders, there's a rush on toilet paper right now, right?
Yes.
Everyone is hoarding
Yes. Yes.
it, and everyone's like, we got to have all these different rolls. There's no need.
Yes.
You have one roll, you can
They've
survive
already heard this.
your entire mission. Have you heard it?
No. No, your entire mission off one roll.
Yeah, because every time you
Oh, I
go,
need this.
you just need one square.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody should be able to survive off of one square.
Okay,
All you
but
do is
boys,
while you're doing your business,
boys can survive off of one.
girls too, while you're doing
No.
your business, you use that time wisely to take your one square and you fold it in half like this.
This is how he proposed.
Then
Okay.
you fold it in half again like this. Around this time you're getting close to being done with your business, but not quite. So go ahead and take this little corner here and rip it off. Put this piece behind your ear. That's very important. Don't forget that. Finish your business. Unfold it like that. Unfold it like this. Put your finger through here.
It's already going wrong.
Clean off everything that needs to be cleaned. And then you go like this. Drop that in the bowl. And then don't forget the most important part, that little piece of, that's for cleaning under your fingernail. Boom.
And here's how the coronavirus started.
One